Hello. Next, I will show you how to draw a triangle. I'm just going to make up some numbers. So I will draw a triangle with lengths 60 centimeters, 70 centimeters, and 80 centimeters. Okay? First of all, you have to draw one of these lengths. Choose any of the lengths. I recommend that you choose the longest length. If you use the longest length, it's probably easier to draw a little bit. So first, I will draw my length of 80 centimeters. Next, I will get my compass and I will measure the radius to be either 60 or 70 centimeters. I've measured it so it's 60 centimeters. Next, I will put my compass point on either end of the line segment that I have here. And then I will draw an arc where I think the point will go. That connects these two together. If you can't visualize where it's going to go, make quite a large arc. Excuse me, I need to adjust my pen. Let's check 60 centimeters. Okay. And next, I will measure it to 70 centimeters and I will use the other point. So I will put the compass on the other point and I will draw an arc. Hopefully the two arcs cross like this. If they do not cross, it means that you should try drawing the first arc again and make sure it's big enough to connect. Lastly, I will connect either end of the line segment here to this point, like this, and hopefully produce the correct triangle. So there we go. We now have a triangle with edge 80 centimeters, 60 centimeters, and 70 centimeters. Thank you.